a day in my life. We are in a hair growth journey. It's almost 7, and I didn't set the alarm. It's a little late for me to get up, but that's okay. And by the looks of outside, we do not have to shovel the snow, thank goodness. So I just took a shower, and I'm showing you my baby hairs in the back. And if you really clip them, meaning use a clip when you put your hair in a ponytail to protect them, they will definitely grow. And I always use a big tooth comb to comb my hair. And I mean, it's not really split, but I do have a lot of layers that I am thinking that's the reason it looks so thin towards the end, because it's still growing out, and I swear I will never get layers again. So here you can see kind of like a little bit closer up look. See how thin it is towards the end? Hug. And we worked out for about 20 minutes.
Just wondering what you're doing tonight. Well, I don't know. I thought I'd drop by. Oh, we can sit around for a while. Then we go for a ride in the squad car. Might even let you play with the siren.
I love this show. So yeah, definitely no shoveling. So now we're gonna head out to breakfast. We're gonna go to Denny's, and I would really love it if you join me. And today is no makeup Friday because I don't feel like putting on any makeup whatsoever. No eyeliner, no lip gloss. I don't feel like it. So Denny's is one of my favorite restaurants. Even if I go there for dinner, I still eat breakfast. And even though we did not put any makeup on today, make sure that you use a sunblock. I used my CeraVe, which I really love it. It is expensive, but it works so well. And it does give, it's opaque, so it is a very thick sunblock for your face. So let's get going, and please join me for breakfast. So here we are pulling into Denny's, which is not too far from my house. Very excited to go to breakfast, and as you can see, the mounds of snow. In my next video, I'm going to show you some really impressive clips. You will not even believe it. Not a lot of people in here. And I love the fact that I get actually a real menu instead of having to scan a QR code. I'm actually drinking coffee, which I hardly ever drink coffee, but Denny's coffee is delicious. And I ordered the lumberjack breakfast. There's so much food here. I'm definitely going to have some left over for dinner. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and pack this up, and again, this will be my dinner. Now we're heading to Supercuts to get my hair cut. You call for an appointment, you wait in your car. Maria, so nice. I always have my hair washed. So just giving me a little trim. Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in. And we are back from having our hair cut, and I am continuing to burn my Valentine's Day candle because we want to be economical. So I'm just going to adjust this a little bit. So we just had our hair cut and it definitely feels much better. Now she said that it's thinning towards the ends, not because it's split, but because I have so many layers and they're growing out. So that's why it's thin at the end, okay? Also too, I've discovered this new shampoo and conditioner from my friends. I was using apple cider vinegar, which this is what it has in it, but I bought a gallon and I was using it over the past couple of months and it really did nothing for me. So I went ahead and ordered this. So this has saw palmetto and apple cider vinegar in there. And it's the saw palmetto, the whole idea behind that is that when you get older, as a woman, you produce less estrogen and more testosterone. And so your hair starts to fall out a little bit more, in other words. So this keeps it from doing so. And actually, I've been using this for a couple of weeks. And yes, definitely can see a difference. Also, too, I did purchase this wet detangler brush. I have a mini one. And then I have the original. Okay, so I'll put the link below. So this is really cool. Look, it's got, I did comb my hair a little bit with that. And it has like glitter. And actually when you do wash your hair, this does detangle quite nicely. I've never really had a brush, to be honest with you, in my entire life. I know. But this actually works really, really well. I'm going to keep one upstairs and one downstairs. And also, I was on the fence about buying a boar brush, just because it's from an animal. But the research that I've done, I was convinced it was okay. Be nice to me in the comments. So it took me a long time to purchase this. So I have this one, you guys. So the whole idea behind this is that it is supposed to grab the natural oil towards the top of your scalp, and then it distributes it through the end of the hair shaft. And you guys, this is so smooth. I mean, it's amazing. Look at that. It makes my hair like just so soft. And then this one right here, love this. And this actually stimulates the scalp a little bit. And again, one for upstairs and one for downstairs because I'm so tired of running up and down the stairs all day long, even though it is good exercise. Okay. So actually, we're going to do like a 6-week hair growth journey, 6 to 8 weeks. And also what I've been using in the past is these are Andrew Lessman vitamins. This is healthy hair, skin, and nails. And you have to take this every day. There's 2 pills. I'll put the link below. And this is actually made in Nevada. And he uses natural energy, like solar power. So there's no electricity used in his factory whatsoever. And he owns a factory, so I think it's pretty cool. And also they're powders, so they actually do distribute in your system a little quicker. You guys can see that. Okay, so you take 2 a day. And you have to take 2 a day. Like I've stopped taking them for a couple of weeks and I can definitely tell the difference in my nails. It really helps your nails, and because I don't get the double growth when I take it regularly. Also too, my friend was telling me about taking prenatal vitamins. So I'm going to take these also too to help my hair get nice and full. Actually, there is the FedEx truck right there bringing me more Wow shampoo. Okay, so come a little closer. So as you can see right here, I have some darkening, and again, it's the driver's side, which gets more. And I have a lot of freckles right here. Now, this used to be the size of a nickel, literally. And over the past few years since I've been using this system, which you can use like 1, 2, 3 times a year. Now we're in February right now, so it's still... It's been like Blizzard City across the entire country. So what this is a 3-step system. This is retinol. Now retinol in its pure state is actually yellow. I've actually had a script, and when I got it, it was white. So, and it irritated my skin. It flaked. It made it red. It made it blotchy. I mean, it looked like I had rosacea, for goodness sakes. Okay, so this is phase 1. So basically what you do is there's a 1A and a 1B, and you just do 2 pumps. I do it directly on the skin. Okay, can you see that? That's the retinol, and you see it's yellow, okay? And then the other side is like a clear. So when you get to the very end of the phase that you are in, carefully take a hammer and you can smash this, and I'm going to show you how much more product is actually left in the container. Like 2 whacks with a hammer. This is what you'll get, and again, these do stay intact because they are very, very heavy plastic. As you can see, look at that. So much more product in there to use. And then to keep it fresh, you can just carefully put the container back on, the container top. And you see it's yellow, okay? And then the other side is like a clear, like a serum. And then what you do, there's just enough to rub it in your skin, okay? And what I do is I just rub it, kind of bring it down. Don't use it on your eyelids. You can use it around your forehead and around the eye socket, meaning here, but don't use it on the eyelid because it will irritate it. So this bottle right here will last you 2 weeks, okay? Then there is a step 2, and it gets a little bit stronger. Then there is a step 3. You can also buy a step 4, but it is very expensive. It's over $100, and they will not sell it to you without you buying the step 1, 2, and 3, because you cannot use step 4. You can't go from 1 to 4. You have to go 1, 2, and 3. And what this does, it will gradually erase all of, well, most of your dark spots, and it makes your skin feel like porcelain. So there, and again, we're going to show you the journey in the next couple of months. I will post a video with all of the results. So here's just a few questions, okay? Does the product also help with sagging around the chin and neck? So it's designed primarily for facial use, though many clients reportedly report beautiful results along the jawline. So actually it does help a little bit. It makes it a little bit more tight. And you can use a moisturizer on top, and you can wear your makeup. I don't. I like to do it at night because you don't want to like expose your skin necessarily to the elements. So if you do go out during the day and you use this, make sure you use a sunblock on top of it. Okay, so can I exfoliate while using this product? Exfoliation is not necessary, but you may use a gentle exfoliator if desired. I really don't. I just use this, and again, it just makes my skin feel and look like porcelain. I love it. And will my skin stop improving after the treatment? No, your skin will continue to improve even after finishing your treatment. So I use this at least twice a year. I try to use it right after the winter, which, you know, around this time, you know, before I have to go out and start mowing the lawn again. I really don't miss that. So you guys, please come with me in my journey, and hopefully our hair will really start to grow. I mean, it's okay, but it's not like it used to be. So we put a little bit of makeup on and a little bit of product in our hair. Looks much, much better. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment. And again, you guys, I really appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch this video. It means so much to me. Thank you for coming with me on my hair growth journey. And again, I will post the update in about 2 months. Until next time, my beauties, you guys have a great day. Stay safe out there. Mwah. XO.